Go.
Hi everyone, it's Brenda from Old Millbrook School Leon Challen Family Center, and I have Junior, my special helper with me. Today we're going to be sharing with you guys a very simple science experiment. And what the experiment is that we're going to change the color of the flowers. As you can see, what color are these flowers?
White.
They're white. And we're going to see how the flowers, the plants, drink water. And in order to see that, we're going to add some food coloring into the water, and you're going to see the changing colors. So what are the materials that we need for the experiment, Junior?
We'll need a spoon, food coloring, a flour, and a jar with water.
So that's right. So we have our clear jars in here so you guys are able to see. And we added a little bit of water. Not too much because we want the color to be very strong. So we're going to add a little bit of water so we can make the color really, really strong. And if you guys gather your materials, hopefully you guys were able to get a white flower or a very light color flower so you're able to see the change really, really well. Now for this experiment, we're going to start it, right now is the afternoon, and we're going to wait and leave it overnight to see the change by tomorrow. So we're going to start by adding our food coloring into our water. How much food coloring are we adding, Junior?
1 tablespoon.
I'm going to add a full tablespoon and see how strong it is. Let's start with the blue one.
Yeah.
Let's start with the blue.
This one or like
the blue one? That one's good. And then we'll just do 1 full tablespoon. Bring the jar close to you. You can do it. Just do it over the jar. And pour. Fill it up. There you go. And then we'll pour it in. And then you stir it. Can you stir it?
with flour?
Yeah, you can stir it with that. As you can see, the color is super strong. It's a very strong blue. And that's what you want to get so that your flower can get the color from it faster. So we're just going to put our flour in there. There you go. And then we just wait until tomorrow to see the results. We're going to do our red color and our green color as well. So let's just get the food coloring and the spoon. And then let's just do that. There, you can pause. Go. Okay, so we have our nice colored water now. We have the red, blue, and green. And our flowers are now in. And as we said, we're just gonna wait until tomorrow and see what happens and see how the water will travel through the flower. But if you guys do it earlier at home, you guys are able to do it too. It takes a few hours, and if you start early in the morning, I'm sure you'll notice the changes throughout the day, which is nice too if you can do it. So we'll continue tomorrow and see what the flowers are looking like. Hi everyone, here we are back, and this is what the flowers look like after leaving them overnight in the food coloring. So here is the red one, and the green one is very light, as you can see, way lighter than the red. And one of the blue ones is super blue, and the other one is not as much. But what happens? Why does the flowers change colors, Derek?
What happens is that the leaves have tiny little pores that the water evaporates through. It's kind of like when we sweat, we lose water. And how we gain back the water is we just grab a cup of water and drink it.
And how do you call the process of losing water?
Transpiration.
That's right. So when we transpire, then that's when we sweat and we lose the water, right?
Yep. And how the plants get the water back is they drink the water through the tube in their stem called the xylem. And Junior can show you how.
So the xylem is kind of like a tiny little straw that is inside the stem?
Yeah.
I see. And then you can just see how Junior just sucks the water and he drinks it. And so does the plant. And why does it turn the colors?
Because when it drinks the water, it gets the food coloring with it, and it goes to the plant, to the flowers and the leaves, and it changes their colors.
Does the leaf change colors too?
Yeah, under the leaves a little bit. The red's better.
Oh, you can see the red one more easier, you see? Like even on the leaf itself. Lighting is not the greatest. So there you go. And yeah, so oh, look at that. In the back of the leaves, you know what that reminds me of? It kind of looks like the plant's veins, right? Like you know how our blood runs through our bodies. So I guess the water travels through the leaves the same way. So that's how it works. And if you guys get a chance to do it at home, let us know and maybe share some pictures with us. What is another way that we can they can do, Junior, that they can try?
They can try splitting the stem in half and then putting it into another container with a different color to see if the flower changes into two colors, like blue and red. It would be half blue and half red.
That's right. So if you want to be adventurous and try to mix two colors in one flower, you can do what Junior just said. Just split the stem in half and put each half on a different container and see what it looks like. Remember, this is a long process, and the more food coloring you add to the water ratio, then the better results you will have. Let us know if you guys do it at home and maybe share some pictures with us. We'll see you next time, and thank you guys for helping.
Bye.
Bye now. Bye.